Now, at least at first glance, Suzuki's stall at Auto Expo 2020 has been slightly disappointing. All we've got are the same old motorcycles, the Suzuki Gixxers, the Gixxer SFs, and the Intruder. The difference, of course, is now these are BS6. Now, unfortunately, we haven't got prices, which means these are only on wheels. Prices will come maybe in a couple of weeks' time. And of course, there has been a slight drop in performance. And if you want to know what that is, you can check out our story on zigwheels.com. But that's not to say that the stall is completely devoid of excitement, because there are some things here that really got our motor running. So of course, you have this Suzuki's MotoGP bike, the GSX-RR. Now this is carrying the number 42 Alex Rins number on the front. Unfortunately, it's not the same bike that Rins won 2 races on in the 2019 season. But it is a GB bike carrying the Suzuki colors, and it looks drop dead gorgeous. Of course, if Alex Rins wanted to ride off the track and in the paddock, we think he'd pick something like this, the Suzuki Bergman 125 in the Suzuki Grand Prix color scheme. Now this is Suzuki's first scooter that wears this paint scheme, and we think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Of course, this is the BS6 version of the Bergman, but not those many things have changed in terms of features. We have a full story of that on zigwheels.com, so do check that out. Now, of course, if you thought this Bergman was a little too bright for your taste, well then, you've got this, the Bergman BS6 in this lovely burgundy shade. Looks really classy, doesn't it? But more than anything, we believe Suzuki has what is the most beautiful bike of Auto Expo 2020, and that is this, the Katana 1000, the legend. It's finally here in India. Now, of course, there is good news and bad news. The good news is that if you are in Delhi and if you come to Auto Expo, you can get up close and personal with this beauty and check it out with your own eyes. The bad news is that it's not coming to India anytime soon. So all we can do is hope and pray that Suzuki opens the throttle hard on getting this to India. So what do you guys think? What is your favorite bike of Auto Expo 2020? Do let us know in the comments below.